To fix the Scotiabank app when it's not working, first check your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the app to run. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If this doesn't resolve the issue, go to the App Store, search for the Scotiabank app, and ensure it's updated to the latest version, as an outdated app can cause problems if the app is up to date. Try opening it again. If it still doesn't work, go to your device's settings, then to General or iPhone storage, and search for the Scotiabank app. Select the option to offload the app, then reinstall it. In most cases, this should resolve the issue. If the problem persists, you can try deleting the entire app from your device and then downloading it again from the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Scotiabank app and get it working again.